2025 Kawasaki Versys 1000, a touring motorcycle for the adventurous rider. The 2025 Kawasaki Versys 1000 is poised to continue its legacy as a versatile and capable adventure touring motorcycle. With its robust 1,043 cubic centimeters inline 4-cylinder engine, advanced rider support systems, and premium touring features, the Versys 1000 is designed to deliver thrilling adventures on both long-distance tours and urban excursions. Engine and performance. The heart of the Versys 1000 is its 1,043 cubic centimeters inline 4-cylinder engine, which provides the necessary acceleration and power for a wide range of riding conditions. This engine is complemented by advanced technologies such as Kawasaki Electronic Control Suspension, KECS, with Showa Skyhook EERA technology, ensuring a smooth and controlled ride. The Kawasaki Versys 1000 is a versatile adventure touring motorcycle known for its powerful engine, comfortable ride, and advanced features. Here are some key specifications and features of the latest model as of 2025. Engine type: 1,043 cubic centimeters inline 4. Power: approximately 120 to 125 horsepower, 90 to 93 kilowatts, at 9,000 RPM. Torque: around 75 to 80 pound-foot, 102 to 108 Newton-meters, at 7,500 RPM. Fuel system: electronic fuel injection. Cooling: liquid-cooled. Transmission: 6-speed manual. Dimensions and weight. Overall length: approximately 2,220 mm. Overall width: about 890 mm. Overall height: roughly 1,330 mm. Seat height: adjustable, generally around 840 mm to 870 mm. Curb weight: around 250 kilograms. The Versys 1000 is equipped with a range of advanced rider support systems, including Kawasaki Intelligent Anti-Lock Brake System, KIBS. This high-precision brake management system provides precise control over hydraulic pressure, ensuring light ABS pulses and maintaining lever feel even when KIBS is active. Kawasaki Quick Shifter, KECS, allowing both clutchless upshifts and downshifts. This feature enhances acceleration and deceleration, making the riding experience seamless. Kawasaki Traction Control, KTRC, offering 3 modes of intervention. This system provides enhanced sport riding performance and stability on the road. Kawasaki Cornering Management Function, KCMF. This system adjusts brake force and engine power to facilitate smooth transitions from acceleration to braking, helping riders track their desired line through corners. Suspension. Front: 43 mm inverted fork, adjustable for preload, rebound, and compression. Rear: horizontal backlink suspension with adjustable preload and rebound damping. Brakes. Front: dual 310 mm pedal disc brakes with dual radial mounted calipers. Rear: 250 mm pedal disc brake with a single caliper. Wheels and tires. Front wheel: 17 inches. Rear wheel: 17 inches. Tires: typically 1/20 70/17, front, and 180/55-17 rear, depending on the model year. The Versys 1000 features a state-of-the-art electronics package, including multifunction TFT color LCD screen, providing critical information such as speed, gear position, and navigation data. Smartphone connectivity via Rideology, the APP, enabling riders to connect their smartphones to the motorcycle for enhanced functionality and customization. Electronic cruise control and heated grips, enhancing comfort during long rides. These features ensure a relaxing and enjoyable experience. Designed with touring in mind, the Versys 1000 offers several premium features. KQR 28-liter saddlebags. These saddlebags are designed for easy installation and removal, providing ample storage space for gear and accessories. Adjustable windscreen. With a stepless range of approximately 65 mm, the windscreen can be adjusted to suit the rider's preference without the need for tools. All LED lighting, including cornering lights. This feature enhances visibility and safety during nighttime rides. Instrumentation, full-color TFT display with various ride modes and customizable settings. Lighting, LED headlights, tail lights, and turn signals. Cruise control, standard on most models. Traction control, multiple levels, adjustable. ABS, standard anti-lock braking system. Riding modes, multiple modes including sport, touring, and rain. Windshield, adjustable height for improved wind protection. Comfort, ergonomically designed seat, optional heated grips. Fuel and range. Fuel tank capacity, around 21 liters. Fuel economy, approximately 40 to 50 miles per gallon, 5.8 to 7.8 L/100 km, depending on riding conditions. Accessories and options. Luggage, optional hard side cases and top case. Navigation, optional GPS mounts and integration. Comfort enhancements, optional heated grips, adjustable seats. The 2025 Kawasaki Versys 1000 is a testament to Kawasaki's commitment to innovation and rider comfort. With its powerful engine, advanced rider support systems, and premium touring features, this motorcycle is poised to deliver thrilling adventures for riders of all levels. Whether you're embarking on a long-distance tour or navigating urban streets, the Versys 1000 is ready to take you on your next adventure.